Dude. Ooh, ooh. They're kind of suspending, some of them. There we go. I just targeted this mark. I watched him kind of chase it up. He was just suspending him. Take these gloves off. Okay. Oh. As you guys can see, beautiful bluegill. It's not back in that hole. He's gone. Whoa! Alright, that was a sign for us to get the fuck up out of here. I just watched that crack split 90 degrees right in between my legs. Not today. Not me. I think that's a sign, guys. It's time for us to GTFO and head to the next spot. Catch you guys over there. There you go. I got one too. Doubled up. Let's get it. This one's fat. That's a big old fat hybrid sunfish right there. Let's not let him hover over the hole and lose him. Double up.
My goal is just to fix this camera so I'm not messing around with it. We got a bluegill to look at it.
They're loving this gulp by itself.
Here they don't care.
Open your mouth, son. I'm gonna lip you like a bass. If I can't get one today, I'll pretend. Looky there. She's pretty nice though. It's a beautiful fish, real pale colors. I don't really know what's going on with that, but cool. There he is. There she blows. Check her out. And that was just on the gulp, no live bait needed. Oh, and she popped off already. I'd eat fish out of this pond if they were bigger. Okay. All right, I know. You're not in the water, you can't breathe. Right, let's get a good camera angle of them. You guys see, we're just slaying gills, but that's not what we're here for today. We're gonna get us a nice bass. You guys just wait. Here he comes, boom! Oh yeah, that's a bigger old gill. Ooh, that's a huge sunfish. Holy crap. Guys, it's you can actually tell the difference between the sunfish and the bluegill. The sunfish rise up like with aggression, dude. Like they come up like ready to attack. Dude, look at this thing. Shit's fat. It has a fat ass belly though. Look at his belly. Shit's. All right, guys. So let's show him off a little bit. Let's release him. All right. I want to put you in the ice gracefully, and then you get like all my Instagram clout, all my YouTube clout just goes out the window when you want to flop around. All right, and there he goes. Nice bluegill. Here we go. Here's a nice bluegill, not a hybrid. I like that. Beautiful fish. let's get a good angle for you guys. I like that better. Beautiful fish. Dude, that's a dude. Guys, Angel, look at these marks, dude. It's like a literal gigantic yellow blob. I hope you guys can. I'm gonna show you guys the camera real quick. You guys can see that. See all those marks I'm getting right there. So, and I'm getting hits too. So it's all about, it's a waiting game, patience. There's another one. Yeah, right away on the gulp again. Boom. Okay, mister. Okay, mister. Nothing too crazy. All right, guys, so we basically gave up on jigging for bass. We slayed the bluegill, you know, as expected, but we didn't really catch any bass. Angel caught one bass jigging, but we didn't get anything on the tip-ups. We had a few false alarms, a few that just got off, so it's been so-so, but it's been a good day of fishing nonetheless. Right now we're just dead sticking. I got one pole set up with a treble hook and a shiner. I got a tip up set up right there. Angel has a dead stick set up in that bucket right there, a tip up right there, and a tip up in the far, basically back corner over there. So we're gonna stand around for about 30 minutes, hope something happens, and if it doesn't, well, whatever. I'll edit this video, you guys will see it, and it'll still be a banger. Hopefully I can get back to you with something cool though. Sun's going down, so wish us luck. I got a mark right on my bait. I think he ate it. I watched him eat it on the flasher. I wasn't paying attention to my rod, so that's my fault. I'll get him again though. He's still on there. Yep, another bluegill. This is actually a pumpkin seed, guys. This is a hybrid. Our size is decreasing though, so I don't like that trend. So we're gonna have to do something about that. Stop flopping around if you want to live. Thank you. Sometimes you think they can speak English, right? This one's actually beautiful here. Let me show them to you guys a little bit in the sun. This one, oh! Look at those colors, man. Pretty. Let's get them back. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Suburban Angling, and I'm finally back. I know it's been about 2 weeks since I posted, and in fact, I think this video will mark the day that it is 2 weeks, but I just want to let you guys know, the only reason I haven't been posting is the fishing has been tough. I've been going out probably every other day to get footage and just haven't really been able to get anything solid enough for YouTube. And finally, yesterday I was able to go out, ice fish a little bit. You know, you guys will see what happened, or you guys already saw what happened, but you know, I finally was blessed enough to get some footage for you guys. I'm also gonna go out again tomorrow and the next day and maybe Friday, because as I'm posting this video, or as I'm making this video, today is Wednesday. But hopefully the next couple of days will be good to me, and I'll be able to get another video to you guys within 5 days or less. So that would be dope. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any critiques or any positive comments to leave me, you guys know where to put them in the comment section down below. And peace out.